Okay, so from the video, it's not super clear to see, but often one of the nice things about printer paper is that it's a little bit transparent. So if you're trying to kind of take a sketch that you've already done that has a lot of construction lines and make it into a sketch that has slightly less construction lines, printer paper is a pretty good medium for that. So what I'm going to do is just go through and basically go over all my lines from my initial sketch that are just the outside lines. So this is one of really the only times in this class where I'm going to say it's okay to not necessarily see those hidden lines. So you don't have to make use of that like X-ray vision. And that is because the point of doing a sketch like this is to really be able to see the volumes. One of the things about this that can be a little bit tricky is that it's harder to move your paper around. So to get to that orientation where you can really get a nice straight line. And so you can probably see my arm moving around a lot. The other thing with this is that your initial line should be just really light. So you'll go back in and kind of add some more line weight once you get the initial lines there. And you want to make sure that you're not losing any details in this process. But this is looking pretty good. And now what I'll do is come in and wherever two volumes are overlapping, I'll come in and make the line weight a bit heavier. So that's going to help us visually tell the story of kind of what's in front of what else. And then all along the bottom edge, making sure that you keep your lines nice and straight, even when they get a little longer. And then just coming in and you can still be double checking your perspective, even if you're just kind of coming back over the lines you just put down on the page. So the one place in here that's getting a little weird is this back corner right there to me. But you can start to see that it's much easier to see what's going on in this sketch than in this sketch. I always want to see this so I can understand how you're constructing things, but this is a bit easier to interpret. And these will be really fun once we get into cast shadows.